Good morning everyone, I'm Athena and this is my dog Oslo. He's having a very nice morning sniffing. He's a Lakeland Trailhound rescue dog and he loves all the smells on the moor, so I brought him up on the moor today. I'm making this video today in partnership with Natural England for their Better with Nature campaign, which is all about the positive impact of the outdoors and nature on our mental health. I am definitely the definition of the outdoor lover. I love walking in the hills, climbing, swimming outside. But obviously during lockdown, I wasn't able to access the hills and mountains as easily. So in this video, I wanted to show you my kind of morning routine or ritual or whatever you want to call it. Essentially what I do in the morning that helps me feel really connected to nature and the outdoors. For now I'm on a lovely walk. As you can see, there are no views whatsoever, but because it's so misty today I really wanted to come onto the moor, so I drove just like 5-10 minutes from home and I've come on this track which no one ever comes on. It is always dead quiet. It's not a popular place for some reason, but I think it's absolutely beautiful here. And I actually really love the weather when it's like this because I think it really brings your attention onto the smaller details because you can't see those grand views quite so much. So yeah, I'll take you on my walk with me and then we'll head back home. Breakfast, Oslo. Come on.
Sit. Good boy.
When I get home from my walk with Oslo, which is usually around an hour, I give him his breakfast, get changed and ready for work, and make myself a coffee. Before starting my working day, there are a couple of things I like to do outside that help me feel much more calm and present before letting in the noise of the modern world. The first is writing in my journal. I take around 10 minutes to just write down however I'm feeling, what I'm anxious about, what's bringing me joy. Putting pen to paper in this way helps me process those thoughts. If you're new to journaling, you could start by writing down 3 things that you saw in nature on your morning walk that made you feel happy. Studies have shown that noticing 3 good things in nature every day for as little as 5 days can see clinically significant increases in mental health, even in urban environments. So if you don't have an outdoor space at home, you can even do this indoors by looking out a window at nature or in your local park or green space. The final thing I like to do to really connect to nature is grounding. I take my slippers or shoes off and feel the ground beneath my bare feet. It's a little cold on these paving stones, but it feels really nice. Then I take 2 deep breaths and draw my attention onto the natural world around me. I focus on what I can see, hear, feel, and smell. At some point, I might close my eyes and feel the morning air on my face, or really focus in on the sounds of nature. As you can hear, the birds are super loud in my garden. I do this for 5 to 10 minutes depending on how I feel that day. And when I bring my awareness back to the present, I feel much calmer and more connected to nature. Research by Natural England shows that feeling connected to nature has a positive impact on people's feelings that life is worthwhile. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it inspired you to add a little bit of nature and the outdoors into your morning routine if you can. I'm currently working from home, so I do have a little bit of extra time in the morning, and having a dog definitely helps with getting outside on a walk every single day. But even if you don't have that long time in the morning to go for a walk, even spending 5 minutes focusing on the good things in nature can really improve your mental health. So I'd encourage you to do that with your morning tea or afternoon coffee if you can. Have a really lovely day everybody, and I'll see you very soon.